So hello students, today now I'm going to show you how to create masking within Adobe Animate. Okay, so to do that, first I'm going to create one shape. Okay, I'm going to take from the tool panel the rectangular primitive tool, and I'm going to rename my layer here. I'm going to rename it as for example shape. So let me just create the shape here. I'll just drag my mouse and create this shape. Okay, with the rectangular primitive tool you have an option of curving the corners, so I'm gonna curve them to 20. Okay, so this is the shape, or let me just have it 30. Okay, so the corners are more rounded. Now I'm going to increase the size of this shape. Okay, you can see there is a border. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just increase the stroke size here, just to say that the border is here around 10. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, okay, let's see, I'm going, as of now it's a compound object, so I'm going to break it apart. Okay, so now it is in a merge mode. So I'm going to take this shape, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just select the overall border, okay, of this shape or the stroke. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to remove this from here. So cut it, edit, cut the border, and I'm going to create one more layer and name it as stroke. Okay, and here I'm going to go to edit and paste in place. So in the same place I've pasted the border again. Now for some time I'm going to keep this stroke below the shape. Okay, so the shape is above and the stroke is below. Now now in the shape, when the shape is there, what I'm going to do is, you can see there, when I select the shape, it looks faded. Why? Because there is opacity here. So I'm going to increase the opacity to 100% so I can see the solid color. Now once I'm done with this, I'm going to add another layer, and I'm going to name it as image. Okay, I want to add an image within the shape. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep my image layer below the shape. Now I'm going to go to file, and I need an image, so I will import one image to the stage. Okay, so I'll go to import, and I have a bus image here, so I'll just open it, and once I open it, it directly comes on the stage. And I can also see that this also comes in my library, in the library panel here. Okay, so if for example you delete this image accidentally from the stage, you can anytime drag and drop it on the stage from the library. So anyways, this is done. I'll close this, and I have a shape, I have my bus here. I'm gonna keep here. Okay, and you can also add some transparency to check the setting of your background image, so to see where you want to place it. Like for example, I want to just make it little smaller using the free transformation tool, so to adjust where I want the bus to appear. Okay, so I'm just gonna place it like this. Okay, fine, I'm happy with this. So now I'm going to go and select the shape again and increase the opacity to 100%, so I can see the shape clearly above the image. Now I'm going to go to the shape layer, and I'm going to right click on my mouse, and I'm going to say mask. Okay, when I click mask, automatically the shape disappears, and instead I can see the image. Okay, now why did I keep, now you have to keep one thing in your mind, that if anytime you want to edit this image and remove the mask, you have to unlock it. Okay, so once you unlock it, the mask will disappear again. So if for example I want to readjust the position of my bus, I want to make it little smaller, okay, I can do it. And then after the editing I can lock the layers again, and again the mask is applied. Now the stroke, I can just keep it above, and I can see the stroke is applied, and I can change the color of the stroke to, I can select one color from here from the picker like this. Okay,